Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relaxed Plant Content, where we talk about plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. So, have yet again another box of plant mail that we are going to open together and check out. So this is from the Planted Veteran on Etsy, and I don't remember what it is I bought from this particular seller, but we're going to open it up and find out. Alrighty. Alright guys, so this is what she looks like, opening her up. There's a pot. Okay. We have an invoice. Oops, sorry about that. I just got some paper. So wrapped like so. I will say this was very easy, like, unwrapping so far. And it's a Hoya. Can I get a Hoya? Sorry, my niece has been like saying that nonstop and it's like stuck in my head. And so now every time I say Hoya, I go Hoya. It's ridiculous, I know. But this is the Hoya sigillatus. And it is rooted. I will put on the screen how much it costs, as I did with all of my other Etsy purchases that I did for my graduation / birthday. I like this little pot actually. This is like a nice pot. It's not like a regular nursery pot. That's cool. Don't want to cut a leaf. Okay. So we have freed her. And it looks like she is in a barky pumice mix, which we're going to have to change to more of a soil mix because of my environment and all of that, but that's okay. But look, let me try to hold the leaves still. Look how beautiful this is. We already have a tendril, which looks like it has survived travel, which is always good. Sometimes when you buy a plant that has a little tendril, the tendril will dry up and fall off in shipping, but it made it. I do kind of want to just like tug on some of them just to make sure they don't like just pull right out. But so far so good. Nothing's just pulling straight out of the bark mix, which is good. It means it's rooted, it's connected to whatever is down here. And yeah, I'm excited. Oh man, look how pretty. Look at the backs. They have that nice red blush. It's a very pretty plant. So yeah, Hoya sigillatus. Alrighty guys, let me know what you think about this purchase and if you have this plant and how you take care of it. And until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.